Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to Mathematics 6 Quarter 2. This time we're going to discuss all about addition of integers. Let's go. So the rules we're going to follow must be first adding like signs, add and copy the sign. This is the first rule. We're going to add like signs or adding both integers with like signs. We're going to add and copy the sign. Okay, again, the rule is you're going to add and copy the sign. Okay, now let's have some example. So this would be like sign. Example, we have positive 3 plus positive 5. Therefore, the answer must be positive 8. Add 3 plus 5, the answer is 8, and the sign of 3 and 5 must be positive. Therefore, the result or the sum also positive. Okay? It's easy. Letter B, negative 6 plus negative 4. As you can see, the first number is negative and then the second number is negative also. Therefore, they are like sign. First, you're going to add 6 plus 4. The answer must be 10, correct. And then the copy the sign. The sign is negative, therefore the answer is negative 10. Okay? Letter C, negative 12 plus negative 3. They are both negative numbers, therefore, again, like sign. Add 12 plus 3, the answer is 15. And then copy the sign, negative, therefore the answer is negative 15. Okay? Okay, now let's have some more example or rule number 2. Rule number 2, adding unlike sign. Therefore, this time we're going to add integers with unlike sign. Adding unlike sign, you're going to subtract the given and copy the sign of the bigger number or the highest absolute value or highest number. Okay? This time we're going to add unlike sign. Again, what should be the operation? Subtract first and copy the sign of the bigger number. Let's have some example. Letter A, negative 3 plus 5. The sign of 3 is negative. The sign of 5 is positive. Therefore, they are unlike sign. And then, first, we're going to subtract 5 minus 3. The answer is 2. And then, you're going to place the sign. What should be the right sign? Is it positive or negative? The answer must be positive 2. Why? Because the higher number or the biggest number is positive. 5 is a positive number. Therefore, the sum must be positive. Okay? Next, we have positive 26 plus negative 30. Again, positive 26, negative 30. Therefore, unlike sign, first you're going to subtract 30 minus 26. The answer must be 4. Then why should it should be negative? Because the higher number or the bigger number is 30. The sign of 30 is negative, therefore this should be negative 4. Okay? Next, letter C. Letter C, negative 12 plus 3. So again, negative and positive 3. Unlike sign, first you subtract 12 minus 3. The answer must be 9. Then why should be negative 9? Because the higher number or the bigger number is negative 12. The sign of negative 12 is negative, therefore must be the result is also a negative. Okay? Next, let's have some example to further analyze or to master your skills. Again, to review, adding like sign, you must add the two integers and copy the sign. Rule number 2, adding unlike sign, you must subtract first and copy the sign of the highest absolute value. So let's have example 1. Negative 5 plus negative 3. Correct. The answer must be negative 8. They are both negative, therefore you're going to add 5 plus 3 and copy the sign. Number 2. Positive 30 plus negative 23. Observe the sign. Correct. The answer must be negative 7 because 30 is positive and 23 is negative. Therefore, you're going to subtract 20. 30 minus 23. The answer is 7. And therefore, is it positive negative 7? Yes, this would be positive 7. Okay? This would be positive 7, not negative 7, because the highest absolute value is positive. Okay? Alright, number 3. Now, negative 17 plus negative 8. Observe the sign. Negative, negative, therefore, like sign. Add 17 plus 8, the answer must be 25. Okay? So, copy the sign, negative. Therefore, the answer is negative 25. Number 4, negative 12 plus 32. What should be the sum? Correct. The answer must be positive 20. Again, unlike sign, subtract 32 minus 12. The answer is 20. Then, copy the sign of the highest number. Positive is the sign of 32. Therefore, the answer must be positive also. Number 5, 45 plus negative 37. What should be the sum? Correct. The answer is 8. Why should be 8? Because unlike sign, we're going to subtract 45 minus 37. The answer is 8. And then, why should be not negative? Because the sign of the highest number or the sign of 45 is 8. Okay? Now, let's try this one. Find the sum of the following. First, number 1, 25 plus negative 30. Number 2, negative 17 plus negative 56. Number 3, negative 36 plus 47. Number 4, 105 plus negative 67. You have 30 seconds to do this. Your timer starts now. You have 15 seconds left. You may comment on your answer in the comment section below. Time's up. Now let's reveal the answer. For number 1, the answer must be correct. 12, positive. Number 2, the answer must be correct. Negative 73. Number 3, the answer must be correct. The answer must be positive 11. And for number 4, 67 plus 105, the answer is negative 38. Okay? Now, remember to add integers with like sign. You just copy, add, and copy the sign. And to add integers with unlike sign, you just subtract the given number and copy the sign of the highest or the bigger number. Okay? So, that's all for today. Thank you and God bless everyone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.